inch table. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a 3-way Benihana-style fried rice. It's so easy. The only key thing that you really need in this is some of this pre-made butter that I'm going to make, and I've only been to Benihana like once or twice in my life, but the only thing I remember is their fried rice because it was really good and they add a lot of butter to it. So I'm gonna teach you guys my copycat version of it. We're gonna make it 3-way because I'm gonna be making an egg fried rice, a shrimp fried rice, and a kimchi fried rice. They don't do this kimchi fried rice there, but whatever, we're Korean, so I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that. So let's go ahead and get started. Make sure this is at room temp. So for this pre-made butter, we need 6 tablespoons of butter, 2 teaspoons of garlic minced, 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce, and a pinch of sugar. And we're gonna be adding this to all 3 of the fried rices. This serves about 3 servings. Kinda looks like dessert. What? That's a nasty dessert. So we will set this aside for when we need it later. Let's prepare our veggies. So all these fried rice, it's pretty much the same ingredients that go into all of them, except the kimchi I added sesame oil and sesame seeds to it, but the base of everything is exactly the same. You guys can feel free to add chicken or beef or whichever meat or protein of your choice. For the egg fried rice, let's add in 2 tablespoons of this. Turn the heat to a medium-high. 4th onion chopped, 1/4 of a carrot chopped, and 2 green onions chopped. We'll add in a teaspoon of garlic minced. We'll cook this until the onions and the carrots cook a little bit more. We're gonna actually be using hetbahn today. I don't want it to be steaming hot. Fried rice is always better with some cold rice or leftover rice. So I just put all 3 of it in for 1:30. It's slightly warm right now. I just wanted to make sure that it was able to break apart in the pan. Break this apart. Half teaspoon soy sauce, some salt, a 4th teaspoon oyster sauce, and 8 teaspoon sugar. Make some space. We're gonna crack 2 eggs on this side. And scramble it and mix it all in together. Scramble it. The only thing I think about when I say egg fried rice is Uncle Roger. Because I remember when he first blew up, I thought it was so funny. Yeah, he used to be so popular. I don't really know what he's up to these days. So this is done. I'm gonna add it to this bowl so that the shape is pretty and then invert it onto a plate. Got a bowl of fried rice. We'll put a plate over and flip it. Using the same pan, I'm just gonna wipe it down with a paper towel. Shrimp fried rice. Let's add in our pre-made butter. Same thing, medium-high. A 4th onion chopped, a 1/4 of a carrot chopped, 2 green onions chopped. I really like shrimp fried rice, and I'm actually gonna cut the shrimp up today just so that it seems like it's more than it actually is. Sometimes I like mine kind of cut up and not whole pieces, so it's easier to eat with every bite. We'll add in our shrimp. A teaspoon garlic minced. Add in the rice. And we'll add in a 1/2 teaspoon of soy sauce. an 1/8 teaspoon of sugar and salt, a 4th teaspoon of oyster sauce, Do you guys know what it's time for? Today's word of the day is 볶음밥, obviously, which means fried rice. So pop means rice and 볶음 means like stir-fried or fried. So you put them together and it's fried rice. And growing up, we ate a lot of 볶음밥. A lot. The lunch that grandma used to make us. Sometimes to school and sometimes to, always to Korean school on Saturdays. I like fried rice, but I try not to eat it because it's just too much carb.
I feel like when you eat fried rice, you tend to eat a lot of it.
Yeah, it's like way more rice than you should be consuming.
It's harder to control yourself with fried rice.
But yes, today's word of the day is 볶음밥, which means fried rice.
Last but not least, kimchi 볶음밥.
Add in our pre-made butter.
And kimchi.
When I make kimchi fried rice, I personally don't like adding butter to it because I feel like it ruins the authentic kimchi taste to it. But today we're gonna try it out, and I've never tried it with kimchi before, but let's see how this tastes.
I feel like it's gonna be good. Throw in all the veggies left over.
Let's add in the 4th onion chopped, the 4th of a carrot chopped, and the 2 green onions chopped. Then we'll add in our garlic and the cooked rice. Half teaspoon of soy sauce, an 1/8 teaspoon of salt, an 1/8 teaspoon of sugar, 4 teaspoon of oyster sauce,
Wow, this looks so good. Okay, we're done. I'm gonna turn it off. End it with some sesame oil.
Let us eat. Okay, I wouldn't say it tastes like Benihana, but it's really good.
Butter and soy sauce. I feel like it's very umami.
It's really good.
Yeah.
I actually really like that.
You know what's weird?
It tastes so different.
Yeah. That one's really good. I think I like that one better than that.
Me too. That was really good. The one Grace has been waiting for. This one's really good.
Wait, this is my first time having
Kimchi.
yeah, in like 2 months.
Yeah,
It's
this
so
one's good too.
Okay, now I know I can finally eat at least cooked kimchi. I feel like now that I'm pregnant, everything you make, I'm like, I can make this for a kid. That's like how I'm thinking.
So I hope you guys try this out. It's so easy to make. I mean, I think the hardest part was just prepping everything. After that, it was so easy. We'll see you guys on our next video with another great recipe.